culture seeks harmony with nature and to achieve sense of tranquility. Tea is a relaxing drink to help you calm the nerve. Tea is not like drinking coffee in the morning to help you get up and go for a busy day. Tea is more refined and best to enjoy in the afternoon or evening when you have leisure. This beautiful tea set is made of fine china. The special tea is from Taiwan, where my parents came from. It has flowers mixed with tea leaves to give an elegant fragrance. Tea is refreshing with vitamin C, minerals, and antioxidants. I drink tea to help me relax. Many people around the world drink tea. Tea is representative of Chinese culture.